6 incredible wonders of space. Humans have not yet ventured far enough out into outer space and do not have complete control over the entire space surrounding the solar system, but astronauts, based on their experiences in space, have provided us with information that reveals frightening realities about space. Human knowledge about the system in which he lives is still incomplete, and he has only been able to travel a little distance from Earth and gain some information about space. However, there are strange and terrifying facts about space, some of which we will discuss below. The existence of gravity in space that has the power to change the world. In the space between the constellations Centaurus and Vela, there is a gravitational force that pulls clusters of galaxies towards itself. Of course, this mysterious attraction is a long way from Earth, but scientists have been able to observe clusters of galaxies moving at incredible speeds. Scientists speculate that the thing could be so large that it could fundamentally change the universe. Astronauts who have returned from spacewalks have reported that after returning to the space station, their clothes give off a strange smell, a strong odor of ozone, a bit like gunpowder and cockroaches. There is a place called Galactic Cemetery. The space has been officially identified as Max 1-1-9. Nicknamed the Galactic Graveyard, no one knows why, but this nova galaxy, located 15 billion light-years from Earth, stopped making stars a few billion years after the Big Bang. It now consists of decaying red dwarf stars and dark exoplanets. It's one of 6 dead galaxies discovered this year. A Newton-sized exoplanet, C, is approximately 35 light-years from Earth. The planet's enormous gravitational forces have compressed its water into ice X, and even though the planet's temperature reaches about 1,555 degrees, ice X does not melt. The existence of a planet where it rains glass. Exoplanet HD 189733b has been discovered, which looks like a calm, blue oasis from afar, but on its surface, the wind blows at a speed of 5 miles per hour and molten glass rains down on it. If one day humans are allowed to access this planet, no living thing will survive on it and everything will quickly disintegrate. In the early days of space exploration, test pilots who were robots were sent into space without any thought of how they would be re-entered. Animals such as ants, chameleons, rats, frogs and others were also tested, some of which made it back to Earth safely, but some of them died during re-entry or landing. But some of these creatures or robots were never found. Not even the ship in which they were sent into space was found. The whitewash theory is being proposed. Just as black holes pull matter and light into themselves, some scientists believe that white holes also exist. Theoretically, they are the mirror image of black holes. Dark holes are regions of spacetime that pull everything inward, with no escape possible, but scientists think that white holes do the opposite, pushing everything out at once, creating the entire universe, and that the universe may have been the result of a big explosion in a white hole. Space has attacked Earth and it could happen again. Most terrifying space events happen far away in time and space, but the Corin-Compton event won't happen again. This massive solar storm hit Earth in 1859 when a coronal mass ejection from the sun hit our planet. If it happened again, strange, colorful auroras brighter than the moon would be visible across the planet, and satellite systems would go down everywhere. Like many people, being an astronaut may be your dream job, but you should know that it's a horrible job. The skin on your hands and feet will peel off. Floating poop is a real nuisance. It's a shame to wear a spacesuit. Cosmic radiation can cause problems with your physical health. Boredom and isolation can drive you crazy. In other words, Earth is the best place to live and work. The moon is moving away from the Earth. The Moon is moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches. On this basis, it is believed that the Moon will help to move further away from the Earth until it is so far away that it is no longer possible to see it. Considering the frightening facts about space, it can now be concluded that the Earth is the safest place for life and that, as it seems, almost everything on other planets and outer space is strange and scary. If you're hoping for aliens to appear completely friendly, dance around and take you on their ship and do amazing things for you, you're probably going to be disappointed. The dark jungle theory suggests that they actively hide, assuming that any other alien race is a threat to them and might destroy them, so when they do appear, they're more likely to attack us and see us as a threat.